Hello everyone, how you doing? I'm here to talk about the $25 one up system platform. Um, the $25 one up platform is basically a training system on direct digital sales and marketing online. Right now, the wave of the future, the thing or whatever you want to call it, is the internet. Basically, selling, promoting, advertising, affiliate marketing, all of that. And if you're interested in learning more and getting the training that was provided or whatever, then check out the links in the description. And the link is pretty much on there. It's CASH247.us. And like I say, check out the website. And if you're interested, go ahead and see how everything works. So check out the video and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you at the top.